Welcome back, Jugangers. I'm so happy you're here. Before we get into today's stretch, let's warm up the body with some jumping jacks. Follow along with your rhythm and let's get the blood flowing. Now that the body is warm and loose, let's begin with our 5 stretches. We'll start with the frog pose. Slowly bring your knees wide, keep your ankles in line with your knees, and gently lower your hips back. Breathe deeply and go as far as you feel comfortable for your body. The frog pose is an excellent hip opening stretch that targets the inner thighs, groin, and hips. It helps improve flexibility, increases mobility, releases tension stored in the hips, and can support movement through activities like squats, splits, and everyday walking. Remember to breathe deeply and let your body relax into the stretch without forcing it. Next, we're moving into the half kneeling frog pose. Start by bringing one knee underneath your hip. Extend your opposite leg out to the side with your knee bent about 90 degrees and your foot flat on the floor. Keep your chest lifted and your spine long. From here, gently rock your hips back and forth to deepen the stretch. Remember, what you do to one side, you do to the other side for a good balance. Let's move to the other side. Keep that body controlled while you deeply breathing through the stretch. Next, we're moving into the single 90 hip opener. Sit on the floor with both legs bent at a 90 angle. Keep your chest lifted while slowly lifting and lowering your knee at a steady pace. Breathe through this stretch, and once done with this side, on to the next. If you've been here before, go ahead and say it with me. What you do to one side, you definitely have to do to the other side. On to the downward dog. Start on your hands and knees with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Tuck your toes under and press your hands firmly into the floor as you lift your hips up and back. Keep your arms and spine long. Let your heels reach toward the floor. It's okay if your knees stay slightly bent. That can help you keep a long, comfortable spine. Let's get into our last stretch, which is the head rotations. This stretch releases tension in your neck, so sit tall with your shoulders relaxed and spine straight. Slowly rotate your head towards the way you least need it. When you hear the timer, switch direction.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things.
Surprise! I know I said that was the last stretch. But for the ones still working towards their splits, just like me, let's take a moment and check in with where we at. Slowly ease your way into your split position, or as close as your body allows today. No forcing, no rushing, just noticing. Notice how your hips feel, how your hamstrings respond, and how your breath supports you right here.
Your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, 'cause you're bad and it shows.
We're definitely getting into the other side, so let's go ahead and switch it up.
Baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman who deserves good things. Fistful of diamonds, a handful of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Baby, you should let me love.
Thank you for stretching with me today. Thank you for showing up, listening to your body, and gently challenging yourself through each stretch. Take a moment to wrap your arms around yourself and give yourself the biggest embrace. You earned it. Be proud of where your body is today, and remember that every stretch is just a step forward. Carry this same love and kindness with you throughout the rest of your day. Keep moving, keep breathing, and keep pouring into yourself. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and try this video before and after your workout. Till next time, Jugangers.